Choosing the right door for your Slidell home is an important decision that affects both the functionality and the aesthetic of your living space. Whether you're renovating an existing room, building a new home, or simply replacing an old door, it's crucial to select one that complements your style while serving your needs. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to make the right choice. Here's a guide to help you navigate the process and find the perfect door for your home. Consider the climate in Slidell. Slidell, Louisiana, is known for its hot, humid summers and mild winters. The local climate plays a significant role in the materials and types of doors you should consider for your home. In areas where the weather is warm and humid, such as Slidell, it's a good idea to choose doors made from materials that can withstand moisture and temperature fluctuations. Fiberglass and steel doors are excellent options because they are durable, weather-resistant, and easy to maintain. Wooden doors, while beautiful, may warp or rot over time if not properly sealed or maintained. For exterior doors, think about energy efficiency as well. Slidell's summers can be particularly hot, and an energy-efficient door will help keep your home cool and reduce energy bills. Look for doors with good insulation properties, such as those with foam cores or energy-efficient glass. Determine the type of door you need. Next, you'll need to decide on the type of door that suits your needs. Exterior doors serve a variety of purposes. They can be entry doors, patio doors, or even storm doors. Each type of door has unique characteristics. Entry doors. The main entry door to your home should be both secure and visually appealing. Many homeowners in Slidell opt for solid fiberglass or steel entry doors because of their durability and security features. If you prefer a more traditional look, a wooden door can add a touch of elegance, but be sure it is properly treated for weather resistance. Patio doors. If you're looking for a door that connects your interior living space to an outdoor patio or deck, consider sliding glass doors or French doors. Sliding glass doors are a popular choice for their space-saving design, while French doors offer a classic look and open wide for easy access. Storm doors. Given the occasional storms that affect Louisiana, installing a storm door in front of your entry door can provide additional protection from wind and rain. These doors are available in various styles, from full glass to half glass models, allowing you to choose a design that still lets in natural light while keeping the elements at bay. Choose a style that matches your home's aesthetic. When selecting a door for your Slidell home, it's important to choose one that complements the overall design of your house. A door is one of the first things people notice when they approach your home, so it should reflect your personal style and the architectural style of your home. If you have a more modern or contemporary home, a sleek, minimalistic steel door or a glass panel door may be ideal. For a more traditional or southern-style home, consider a wooden door with decorative glass inserts or a set of double French doors. When selecting colors, keep in mind that darker shades can give your home a more formal, refined look, while lighter colors provide a more relaxed, airy feel. Additionally, the hardware you choose, such as handles, locks, and hinges, should also align with the style of the door and your home's design. Think about security. Security is another key factor when choosing a door for your home. Especially for exterior doors, you want to ensure your door provides sufficient protection from intruders. Steel and fiberglass doors often offer the highest level of security because they are tough and difficult to break. For added security, choose a door with a reinforced frame and a solid, secure locking system. Deadbolts and smart locks are great options for providing peace of mind. Consider maintenance and durability. Finally, think about how much maintenance you're willing to do. While a wooden door may offer natural beauty, it requires regular maintenance such as sealing, painting, and restaining to prevent damage from humidity and the elements. Fiberglass and steel doors, on the other hand, are much easier to maintain. They don't require repainting or refinishing and are highly resistant to warping, cracking, or rotting. If you're looking for a door that requires minimal upkeep, these materials may be a better fit. Final thoughts. Choosing the right door for your Slidell home involves considering the local climate, the type of door that fits your needs, the aesthetic appeal, security features, and maintenance requirements. Take your time to explore the different options and select a door that enhances the beauty, functionality, and security of your home. By doing so, you'll enjoy a door that not only stands up to the elements but also complements your home's style for years to come.